I'll be teaching you how to adopt the feminine qualities that will have him be obsessed with being near you, making you happy, having you in his life forever. And if you're interested in elevating your romantic life, then subscribe to my channel. So the first thing to remember is that the relationship you want is the prize, not the man. This important distinction is going to help stop you being pulled off track and sacrificing your desires so that he can have his. A student coach I was teaching today said, we trade little pieces of ourselves to keep him. This explains it beautifully. So for example, if you want to be a wife and a mother in a loving marriage and you're dating a man who's showing no signs of wanting to commit and settle down anytime soon, and you're hoping he'll change, that's a sure sign you're making him the prize. You're pushing aside your desires to accommodate where he's at. But making your vision of the relationship you want more important than a particular man will shift your vibe from urgent or needy to being the kind of woman who loves herself so much she knows what she wants and will walk away with zero drama if this is not the relationship to get her to where she wants to be. And this energy is so attractive. And either way, you'll get your information about the man you're with. So if a man is serious about you and stalling, your new energy will focus his mind and have him step up to fully claim you. Or he'll fall away showing you he was not the right man for you after all. Second way to get him to be obsessed with you in a healthy way is to give him space to crave you. Now, this is not about playing hard to get. This is about being hard to get. So rather than pursuing him, pursue your life, pursue your passions, your ambitions, like get busy having an enjoyable life, read good books, learn about investing, go out dancing. All of these things give you a vibe of a woman who isn't relying on a man in her life to make her happy, to bring her happiness and fulfillment. She's a woman who has loads of fulfillment. You know, the next way is don't sweat the small stuff and laugh more at life. You know, seeing the lighter side of life, laughing at yourself, playing tricks on him, all brings a youthful, playful vibe that a man will absolutely love. I have a friend who used to hide from her man before he came home from work, and then she used to just leap out at him, or he would come home and he knew he just needed to go and look for her. You know, this brings that kind of playfulness and fun that men are craving. Doesn't mean we have to be nice and sweet and playful all the time, but just bringing that kind of energy into a relationship, not sweating the small stuff so much, not taking ourselves so seriously all the time, actually just brings this lightness and fun to a relationship that will just leave a man wanting to come back again and again and again. It's like he can come home to you because it feels fun, it feels safe. The next is to appreciate him. You know, let him know how his efforts impact you, how his actions make you feel. You know, let him feel needed, like he is really impacting you. Men grow with appreciation, and this is one way men feel really cherished and really loved, through your appreciation of his provision. This is your appreciation of what he provides for you. And this isn't just about money, but this is time and care and him thinking about you. Maybe he fixes something for you, does something for you. That is all him providing his energy. A man will go to the place where he feels most needed and appreciated and wanted. A healthy relationship-ready man will. And the next one is to create emotional connection with your communication. Listen to him, like be curious. Seek to understand before seeking to be understood. You know, this is about taking the time to actually really listen rather than jumping in with what we want to say. It's like, can we just listen to where he's at and be open? Playfully challenge him. You know, playfully challenge him. This is about teasing with warmth, not with kind of like veiled criticism, but just teasing him lightheartedly and just gently kind of, playing, and is going to, again, be so attractive. If you want to learn how to bring him closer with your words, I've got a brand new masterclass coming up. I'll pop a link in the description. It's a live masterclass happening in the next week and a half. Obviously, if you're watching the replay and if you're watching after the event, you can get that masterclass from the link below. So all of these things, keeping your focus on the relationship you want, giving him space to crave you, bringing out your lighter, playful side, showing appreciation, and creating emotional connection are skills and qualities that make you the woman he can't stop thinking about, that he's obsessed with making happy and having in his life forever. You'll become magnetic to him. Now, I know this video will really help you. Watch it again to let it sink in and let me know your reactions and feelings in the comments. And if you love this video, you'll love the next video I've picked out for you. And if you want to work with me to deepen your connection skills, join me in the Feminine Communication Masterclass at the early bird price. But if you're watching after the event, you can get the replay. I will pop a link in the description to all of those things, and I will see you in the next video.